Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create your Google Scholar profile using your phone. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. In the address bar, type googlescholar.google.com and tap Go. You will see the Google Scholar homepage. Tap Sign in the top right and log in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account yet, tap Create Account and follow the steps to make one. After signing in, go to your home page, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left and tap on My Profile. Here, enter your full name, affiliation like your university or organization, and research interest. You can also add your university email to verify your profile. Google Scholar may suggest articles linked to your name. Tap to select the correct ones to add to your profile. You can also add articles manually. You can also upload a profile photo to make your profile look personal. Tap next or save to finish creating your profile. And that's it, your Google Scholar profile is now ready on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.